Looking at number 10, you'll see that I have some of the rows and columns labeled already, ready to multiply. Before we do that, though, we should technically confirm that we can multiply at all, and because these match, we can. And then also, because I have the outer dimensions, those tell me what my answer matrix is going to be. So my answer matrix is going to be a 3 by 3, which means I have 9 entries, which means I have these 9 multiplications that I need to worry about. So row 1 times column 1, this is going to be 5 times 2 plus 1 times -1, which will give you 9. 5 times 1 plus 1 times 3, which will get you 8. 5 times 3 plus 1 times 4, which will get you 19. So 9, 8, and 19. And then row 2 will be 3 times 2 plus -2 times -1 to get 8. 3 times 1 plus -2 times 3 to get -3. And 3 times 3 plus -2 times 4 to get 1. So I have 8, -3, 1. And then lastly, row 3 I need to distribute. So this is going to be 1 times 2 plus 4 times -1 to get -2. 1 times 1 plus 4 times 3 is equal to 13. And 1 times 3 plus 4 times 4 is equal to 19. So -2, 13, and 19 will be the bottom row. So a lot of multiplications on this one, but this will be our answer.